Hello, viewers. Welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Let's learn today some tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel for easing your workload. Now, today we'll be looking at a function, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. Now, this is our scenario. You are a class teacher in a school, and after the exams, you've received marks for 30 students from the following teachers: math, science, and English. Now you're asked to create a scorecard for 30 students, compiling the marks received from all three teachers into a single sheet. Also, note that there are many students who turned absent for different subjects. Now, how do you compile this using our function VLOOKUP? Now, this is the sheet that we want to make, comprising of three subjects: math, science, and English. And you have 30 students with their roll numbers and names in no particular order. So now we have received marks separately from the three faculty. Got the names, their marks for English, math, and science. Now, how do you arrange the marks for each subject, for each student in order? Now, the function VLOOKUP really helps you here. Let's give you a demonstration. Suppose I want to put the marks for math first. Okay, so let's go to the scorecard, click on the cell, the one that's right below mathematics, and then type equal to VLOOKUP. And then open a bracket and click the first roll number. See? And then you go to the formula bar, put a comma, and then go to the sheet that has the marks for mathematics. And now you select the columns here. Suppose I'll select it from 1 to D or A to 4 D. Now you put a comma, and then you notice that the marks for mathematics are present in column C, the third column. So write 3 there. Now, you need the marks of each subject against each student in the exact same place. Okay? So, what do? To get the exact marks against each student, we type false. And then we close the bracket, and then you click enter, and see the marks for roll number 15001 has appeared on screen for mathematics. Now this is a formula, so in order to copy for the rest, just double click on the bottom right corner of the cell. And everybody received their marks. Now let's do this for the other three subjects, the other two subjects, science and English. So again, equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, click the roll number, go to the formula bar, put a comma, and go to the respective subject, science in this case. Select columns, put a comma, select the column where the marks are present. So in this case, just write 3. Another comma, and then write false. I see. Let's try that again. Equal to VLOOKUP, open the bracket, the roll number, put a comma, go to science, select the columns, type the required column, in this case 3. Now type false, close the bracket, press enter, and there you go. You receive the marks. And when you double click on the bottom right corner, it's copied for everybody. Let's do it for English as well. VLOOKUP, roll number, comma, go to English, select the columns, required column, which is 3rd, type false, close the bracket, enter. And you get it for everybody else. Double click on the bottom right corner. And there you go. You've put in the marks for all the 30 students for 3 of the subjects. Now, it doesn't matter how many columns you've selected here, as long as you type the column in which the marks are present. That's 3 in the formula. And so you've inserted the marks for math, science, and English for 30 students. Now, as you can see, many of them are shown non-applicable. Now, this means that they have not written the test. They're absent. Now, you've seen here that when you select a column, a cell, you find out that a formula appears, the formula that we typed in. Now, if by mistake I deleted these sheets, if I delete these sheets, then all these values would disappear because the formula here is dependent on these 3 sheets. We have to now convert this into just values. So what do? Select all of these formulae, and then copy and right click, get the paste option. Now go to paste special, and now click on values, and then click OK. Now escape. So if I click on a cell, only the value appears. The formula is now disappeared. So we've copied only the values of the marks. Now, to convert #n/a, or not applicable, to absent, how do you do it? Again, select all of the 30 into 3 marks. Now, press Ctrl H. You get the Find and Replace tab. Now we need to find #n/a and replace it with absent. And then you click Replace All and see. Now you know which students have written the test and which students are absent. And so that completes your table. Easy, wasn't it? I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel, Blitz Audios, for more useful and interesting content. Kindly comment on what other tutorials that you want to see. We'll be delighted to make videos based on your suggestions. Until next time, goodbye.